Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Trisha and today I am going to be doing an exciting review on my current skincare obsession, Skintific Glowing Set. Skintific is a professional brand for repairing skin barriers. I love the brand because it is powered by science and smart formulation that uses precise active ingredients, quickly diminish skin problems but also intensively hydrating and calming skin, effectively protect and improve skin barrier. Make sure you stay till the end of this video to see how I use all of these products together along with a few skincare tips for you gals out there. Let's get started. The Skintific Glowing Set includes 4 products. The MSH Moisturizer Gel, 5x Gentle Cleanser, Niacinamide Serum, and Glycolic Acid Toner. These products work together to give you that clear, glowy skin even during the hot summer months. If you know me, then you know that I love going into details with the ingredients of the products and the function of the ingredients in hopes that I'll be able to utilize these products to the fullest benefit. That said, here's what you need to know about the ingredients in the products. What you need to know about the product ingredients are the 10% niacinamide that helps to brighten skin, fades dark spot, and hyperpigmentation. Glycolic acid, on the other hand, which is a natural acid that helps to revitalize the skin by lightly removing dead skin cells, regenerating skin and increasing collagen production. Lastly, 5x ceramides that restore skin natural protective barrier. Now, if you're a newbie in the skincare world, I reckon that you'll find this brand helpful in achieving your desired glowy skin, particularly with the Skintific Glowing Set, as it did help me achieve my dreams of having that glowy, dewy, glass skin. To use the Skintific Glowing Set, start by applying the 5x Gentle Cleanser at the back of your hand and just squeeze a pea-sized amount. A little goes a long way, and then rub it between the palm of your hands so that the product is activated, and then slowly and gently rub it all over your face. May I remind you that the Skintific 5x Gentle Cleanser contains 5 types of ceramides: AP, EOP, NG, MP, and NS. Now try to avoid the eye area because you don't want to dry out your under eye, and don't forget your sideburn, which is just located near your ears, and then rub it down to your neck as well. Next, use the Skintific Glycolic Acid Toner and then put it at the tip of your finger or your hands, and then start patting or dabbing it onto your face, all over your face. You want to pat or dab slowly, not like slapping motion. Just very gentle to your face. And the tip here that I would recommend to all of my subscribers and viewers is to not use a cotton pad. First, not only is it economical, but number 2, you're activating your blood vessel, hence also depuffing your face. And you want to depuff your face so that you can also achieve that dewy glass skin look. I also really love this toner because it quickly and deeply absorbs into my skin, leaving it refreshed and purified. After applying the Glycolic Acid Toner from Skintific, proceed with the Skintific Niacinamide Serum. You just want to squeeze, once again, just a tiny amount, like a pea size, then start applying it all over your face, also avoiding the eye area. Massage it in upwards motion. You kind of want to imitate the gua sha motion with your hands if possible. Otherwise, you can just lift your face up while the serum is on your face. This serum also quickly absorbs into the skin and leaving your skin looking glowy and dewy like this. Voila! To finish off the Skintific Glowing Set routine, you just have to take the MSH Moisturizer Gel from Skintific and apply just about like a coin sign amount all over your face. A little goes a long way. And it is the crucial step to this routine because the moisturizer helps to lock in everything that was applied beforehand. Okay, my favorite product from the Skintific Glowing Set would be the Skintific MSH Niacinamide Brightening Gel Moisturizer. If you're worried that this moisturizer is too thick or it would cause you to break out, because usually certain moisturizer will make me break out, especially because I have oily to sensitive skin, fear not. I have all the details and I've been using this moisturizer for the past few weeks religiously because I love it so much and it's calming and it does its job. So here are all the details. So basically, the MSH Niacinamide Brightening Gel Moisturizer from Skintific is a lightweight moisturizer that aims to brighten and hydrate the skin. Once again, it is powered by science and smart formulation using precise active ingredients to quickly diminish skin problems while also intensively hydrating and calming the skin. If you're a skincare nerdy like me, you would want to know what are all the ingredients in this product, and I will list the 3 key ingredients for you. The first one is the 4% niacinamide. Secondly is ceramide. And thirdly is my favorite, hyaluronic acid. In brief, 4% niacinamide aims to brighten your skin, fades away dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Ceramides, they are ingredients that would help to restore the skin's natural protective barrier, keeping the skin hydrated and healthy. And lastly, hyaluronic acid, my favorite. It helps to retain the moisture in the skin, keeping it plump and hydrated. I didn't go into details on how I use specifically this moisturizer, so just a little recap. If you want to use this product to its fullest benefit, you make sure that you start by cleansing your face first and then apply a pea-sized amount to your hand, and then apply the product onto your face and neck, applying it in circular and upward motions. I absolutely love this product so much from the Skintific Glowing Set. I have been using it for the past few weeks now, and I just like how it's very lightweight, it absorbs very easily, then it keeps my face feeling hydrated, smooth and refreshed. One of the prominent reason why I love this product is how quickly it brightens and gives that glow to my face. I have noticed significant improvement in the appearance of my dark spots and hyperpigmentation in just a few weeks of using it. Another thing I really appreciate about this moisturizer gel is that it hydrates my skin without leaving it feeling greasy, which I know is a common problem among people trying to choose their moisturizer. And I can reassure you that this does not give you that greasy, oily feeling. It keeps my skin feeling plump and hydrated, not heavy and greasy at all. Overall, I enjoy this product very much, alongside the 5 times gentle cleanser, the glycolic acid toner, as well as the niacinamide serum. When used all together, that is how you can obtain the dewy, glowy skin on a budget, of course, because this is a set and you wouldn't just want to use one product from this brand. Using it all together would help you achieve the desired goal. These products, they are curated together. When they are used together, you get to experience the fullest benefit of these products. Having said that, if you are interested in trying out yourself, you can check out the official Skintific website, or I'll just leave a link down below to all the products, and you can get them yourself and tell me how it goes with your skin, because I've been using this and might have to restock this before I fly back. Alright, your bored gal is signing out. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube video, and I hope you enjoyed this little skincare review. I love skincare so much, and I bet you guys know that I've been a skincare advocate since the start of my YouTube channel. If you like videos like this, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this and tutorials in the future. And that was a lightning, and now I'm scared. Okay, bye bye.
Come back to another life, so break me up another time. You wrap around me and you give me life, and that's why night after night I'll be rocking you right.
You have to do this also, okay? Okay, say hi. Hello.
Hi.
It's important. What do you feel?
I feel amazing.
This next up, this one. Adik, geram lah. Macam nak buat ni? Awak ni. Yeah, guys, the upper lips, guys. Semua super lupa. Macam. Macam, stop it.
Did you get the products? Yes, I like the products.
Go get it. Go get it.
Hey,
Light it.
Monday